Hi, another quick tip for you. So why would you use an enum when you can use an object, right? So let me show what you could do here. So technically, what you just have to do is to replace that const to an object. So the way you do that, you go here and then just put an equal right here. And now what you could do is just replace that this way, and same thing here, right? And when you see that, our application is still working pretty well, right? So we have that everything working properly. So now here is where TypeScript, because right now there is no TypeScript really involved, right? It's raw JavaScript. And what you could now see is when you try to write a function, for example, we use shape, and that function take a shape and you want to use like a type shape, right? How do you define that type, right? So let's do that. What we're going to do is just to define a shape, and that shape is just a quick TypeScript magical thing. I will explain that on another tip, where you basically you want to get the type of each property in that object, right? To use like a kind of loop, and the loop you do that with the key off, and then you want to get the type of the shape kind, right? Now what could you do with that? Once you do so, you can now say, for example, if the shape is equal something, right? Now when I type space here, nothing is really happening because it doesn't really know where what is in there, because it's saying that that thing is a string. However, if I go here and I say ask const, now you're going to see that it knows that these are either a circle, a rectangle, or a square. So now I can easily go here and then say this is a circle, and then that's basically works, right? So that's the tip, and see you on another tip. Bye.